Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get music live streaming in Twitch. In order to find music live stream, just simply open Twitch application at very first, and after opening the Twitch application you will get to see a lot of options into this bottom bar. Now you just simply have to tap to this discover button at the middle. Just simply tap there and then you will get to see this games in real life sports option. Now just simply scroll until you see the option of music into here. Just simply tap to music option in order to get music live streams. Now after tapping there, it will take a short amount of time to proceed, and then you can easily find so many music live streams that you might like into Twitch. You just simply have to scroll until you see the option that you are searching. You can also filter out into this section. As you can see here, this is DJ section, and then this is instrumental, and similarly there are drums, singing and many more. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.